Hello, welcome to Tutorial for You channel. In this video, I will tell you everything you need to know about ChatGPT, why Elon Musk called it a scary, good, dangerously strong AI, and I will also show you how to sign up for free. So if you are interested, click on that like button. Also, I will be making more videos on ChatGPT, so hit that subscribe button. So let's start the video. To sign up on ChatGPT, visit this website. You can find this website link in the description of this video. So ChatGPT is a project of OpenAI. So basically you have to make an account in OpenAI. So click on this try ChatGPT. It will take you to the sign up or login page. So this is the screen which you will see. Click on the sign up button to create a new account. You will need to provide your email address and create a password to complete the registration process. After creating your account, you will receive an email with a link to activate your account, or you can also sign up with your Google account or Microsoft account. Then enter your first name and the last name and then verify your phone number. They will send you a verification code. Enter that code. So now you have successfully made an account on OpenAI. You will be taken to this dashboard. This is where you can access all the features and tools provided by ChatGPT. So there is this new chat button. You can click on it, or you can just write what you want in this box. It's like chatting with another human being who provide you with solution to your problem. So let's get started. First, let's go with some simple question. It can also provide some solution to your problems, so you can have a lot of fun with ChatGPT. So the other uses can be like, if I copy this article from Wikipedia and paste it in here and put it in quotation mark and write rephrase this text, it will rephrase it. Let's check how much unique it is. We will go on Google and search for check plagiarism, and we go for this website and paste this text here and click on check plagiarism. You can see 100% unique. Let's check in another website, and here we go, it says 100% unique. You can also say it to write a blog about anything, like write a blog about latest technology. So you can see it has written me a complete blog. This AI can take a lot of jobs away. Speaking of jobs, let's see if it can write a mail. Write a mail to client about project delayed. Here you go, it can also write a mail. It can also write an essay and even a letter. Let's see if it could write some programming codes. Code a one-page portfolio in HTML, CSS and JavaScript. It has written this code, but let's test this code how good it is. So this is what it has created in just 2 minutes. It can also write program like write a program to check prime number in Python. So here you go, it has written this program. So I think it's a great tool if you are learning programming, and we will see more about it in later videos. At this point of this video, you would have realized that why Elon Musk called it a crazy good AI, but it has some limitation which they have admitted themselves, like may occasionally generate incorrect information, may occasionally produce harmful instruction or biased content. For example, if I ask latest news, it tells something like this. At the end, it is just a human trained AI. But the more it will be trained, the more it will get better. That's why it has this like and dislike feature, and you can also submit your feedback through it. Alright, well, this was just a really quick tutorial. If you think this video was helpful to you in any way, please give this video a like. If you want to see future videos like this, hit the subscribe button. That's it for this video. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Have a nice day.